Hey guys, it's me Vicky, and you're watching Hang with Vicky. So, we are going to be making slime!
Now turn up.
Now, we are going to be making slime. So, the ingredients we will be needing is a plastic spoon, a bowl, Tide laundry detergent, and school glue. Elmer's school glue. So, first you need to take your spoon, then you start pouring in the glue while scraping the glue out of it. I'm really hoping for it to start clumping up soon. So we've done that. And now just add a little bit of detergent, Tide detergent, and use to mix it in. Add a little bit more. Make sure you get the corners of it. Everywhere. Every side, everywhere, every part of it. You don't want to add too much because then it will get too activated. Just add a little at a time, just so your slime does not get deactivated. And I'm pretty sure this is going to turn blue, but it's getting clumpy. It's getting clumpy. A little more. And then mix it in. I think after this pour, you can start going in with your hands. It's getting really clumpy. I think 2 more pours and then you can go in with your hands. It's getting really clumpy, so that's good slime. But you just want to make sure that you get all your Tide detergent in. Tide can come in different colors, but now I'm gonna go in with my hands. So this is getting clumpy, so that's a definitely nice and good slime sign, and it is not really sticky, so that's good. But you want to make sure you get every part of it. It turned into this nice blue slime instead of white. So let's add more detergent. Is really getting into slime, so that's really good, and it's not sticking to my hand, so that's a good slime sign. But you want to make sure you can get all the slime you can get from the bowl before you take it out and play with it with your real hand. So it's really turning into nice slime, but the trick is to just keep on folding it and folding it. No matter what, if you need more glue, just add more glue. But the key is to just keep folding it. Folding it, folding it, folding it, folding it, folding it, folding it. And it's come off. So now I'm just gonna I'm going to stretch it and put the bowl to the side. It has wonderful coats. It is nice, it is stretchy. It has the best consistency. I like it a lot. Really, really nice. So I think you guys should definitely try this recipe for slime, and because it will work just fine. If it gets too stringy, just keep on folding it and folding it and folding it. Look at the beautiful swirl. So it turned out great. So I'm gonna do a little ASMR for you guys. So it is really, really nice. Did you guys hear that? I don't know if the camera got as glossy as it was, but it is really glossy. The second is glossy slime that I've ever had. It's really, the pops. It's amazing. It worked really nice. And I like the color, the texture, the feeling. Oh, and it's really fluffy. Like really fluffy. The stretch is amazing. I recommend you buy this. I mean, like, make it instead of buying it, but buy the supplies that I used. But if you have it at home, then you're all set to go. If you have glue and Tide detergent, that is basically all you need. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment down below.
Now turn up.